Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section, and this problem is called the set mismatch, and this problem is somewhat annoying, but we can still solve it. Set as original from 1 to n, but unfortunately due to a data error, then one of number in the set got duplicated to another number. So there's one thing duplicated, so that means there's one duplicated, there's one missing. So 1, 2, 2, 4, you see the duplicate is the number 2. It's not index, it's a number 2, and the missing is 3. So we need to return the duplicated and the missing and the form list. Okay. So there are many ways to solve it. If you go to a solution, there are maybe 7 ways or 10 ways, so many ways. But I used some traditional. First, I sorted the numbers and the basic. And when I sorted the numbers, then I can iterate the list. If I see some element is the same as the next element, then this one must be duplicated. So I did set be length, and for I range -1. If this number is the same as the next, then that means this must be duplicated. So I break. So this code can find a duplicate. Then we find miss. So miss is just from 1 to n, right? So we can create a set from 1 to n. So this is a set, and then we find the difference of the set of the list. So that means this is a one element list. So if you don't know that, I can print to you. So suppose I print the list miss. So you can see the miss is just one element list. Okay, then I just equal next iterate miss, and this x will be just one element. So we just return a duplicated and a missing element. Okay, so that's it. And there's unlog n, so we can submit. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.